You are listening to the Global Slovakia podcast, where we explore the stories, traditions, and spirit of Slovakia, the heart of Europe. This is the beginning of our special Slovak Christmas series, where we journey through the customs, symbols, and timeless wisdom of the season. Advent in Slovakia has always been more than a countdown to Christmas. It is a season of quiet anticipation, spiritual renewal, and turning inward as winter approaches. The word Advent comes from the Latin adventus, meaning arrival. In Christian tradition, it marks the coming of Christ, the light entering the world. But long before Christianity, people in the Slovak lands honored this same period as a sacred threshold, the waiting for the rebirth of the sun. Our ancestors saw Advent as a gateway into winter, a time to pause, gather strength, and prepare, both materially and spiritually, for the long, dark months ahead. Families repaired their homes and tools, shared stories by the hearth, and sought peace with neighbors and kin. No quarrel was meant to last beyond this time of cleansing and reconciliation. Advent called for slowing down, reflecting, and finding balance between darkness and light, in nature and in the heart. Perhaps the most cherished symbol of this season is the Advent wreath. 4 candles, one for each Sunday, are lit in turn, filling homes with gentle light. Each candle represents a virtue: hope, peace, joy, and love. With every flame, the darkness grows thinner, a quiet promise that the light will return. Advent also opens Slovakia's winter ritual cycle, a season rich in customs blending Christian faith with ancient folk beliefs. It begins with St. Catherine's Day on November 25th, marking the unofficial start of Advent. Then comes St. Barbara's Day on December 4th, when young women cut cherry branches, hoping they would bloom by Christmas Eve, a sign that love was near. On St. Nicholas Day, December 6th, children placed polished boots in windows, waiting for sweets from the saint, accompanied by an angel and a devil, symbols of good and evil walking hand in hand. Each of these days carried deep meaning: protection, love, generosity, and faith. Together they formed a pattern of preparation for both the body and the soul. In Old Slovak tradition, Advent was a bridge between the living and the unseen world. It was believed that prayers carried during these dark weeks had special power, guiding the spirits of ancestors and protecting the home. The season taught patience and gratitude, reminding people that every year, no matter how cold or dark, would turn again toward the light. Advent, then, is not simply waiting. It is becoming ready. For Christmas, for renewal, for the miracle of light's return. Thank you for listening to the Global Slovakia podcast. To experience more of Slovakia's Christmas magic, with stories, songs, and recipes delivered each day through Advent, explore our virtual Advent calendar at globalslovakia.com. And if you enjoy our work, please consider supporting Global Slovakia, helping us continue to share Slovakia's rich traditions with the world. May your Advent be peaceful, bright, and full of wonder.